Good afternoon. Thursday, the 10th of June. Today, I'm starting a new series called Reclaim Your Life, because life is what everything's all about. There's nothing beyond life. APJ Abdul Kalam, President of India, said that in order to succeed, you must have the right mindset. And by that, he meant you must be willing to dare to dream. And he went beyond that and he said, you also must be willing to dare to fail. And with that mindset, there's every chance that you will succeed. Now, you have to pursue your dreams. You must pursue your dreams all the time. Never give in. Never give up. Pursue your dreams. But once you get it into your head that you want to change, that's when the change will start. It's like an alcoholic. No matter the number of times they may go to a rehab clinic or not, they will only begin to improve once they decide and get into the head that I want to change. I want to become sober. And that will start when he walks into the Alcoholic Anonymous class and says, my name is so-and-so, I am an alcoholic and I want to give up drinking. That's the only time the change will start and kick in. Till that time, nothing is going to happen. Some 35 years ago, Osho did remark that democracy is the best form of governance, better than dictatorship, better than monarchy. But he said it's not the end all, because democracy is of the people, by the people, for the people. But Osho went and said that unfortunately the people are retards. So we have retard of the people, retard for the people, retard by the people, and we end up getting a retard government. So what does one do? Now you're stuck. Bill Clinton, when he became president of US in the late 90s, he had a liaison with Monica Lewinsky and he was impeached. And he almost got kicked out. He didn't get evicted, but he got impeached. The first president of America to be impeached. And when he was interviewed by CNN asked him, why did you do that, sir? And Bill Clinton thought about it and said, I did it because I could. So there you go. We've talked about opportunities. Opportunities will come, but some will be wrong opportunities and some will be right opportunities. You must always go the right path. Often you may not know what to do. You may be at a juncture that I do not know what to do, where to go. Do the right thing. The right thing will always lead you to the right place. Maybe not in record time, but you'll get there. One of the favorite stories I have is of Jack Ma from provincial China. He was a poor boy in a poor family and he had nothing. And he was measly, he was thin, he was puny. Everywhere he went, he failed. He failed in everything he did. He couldn't speak English. He failed in McDonald's, couldn't get a job there, couldn't get a job in the police. And he wanted to learn English. Finally, he started learning English. And he knew that he had to go to America to start an internet company, which he finally did. And he ended up doing a behemoth. He today heads Alibaba, which he owns outright, became the richest man in China, and became the second richest or the biggest internet company after Amazon. That's Alibaba. Jack Ma for you. So at the end of the day, you got to do what you believe is right, but get it into your head that I want to do it. Do not live other people's lives. Do not lead your life through other people's dogmas or beliefs. If someone wants you to become a doctor if you want to become a doctor, and not if you do not. And if you believe that, and if you follow your own beliefs, you'll be much happier in life. If all else fails, like Perry Como said, catch a shooting star and put it in your pocket, never let it fade away. Catch a shooting star and put it in your pocket, save it for a rainy day. So there you go. Be happy, keep little contingencies in life, and you will succeed. Because the little contingencies like a spare wheel or whatever else you do as a backup always come in hand. Thank you. Good luck.